Hi, in this video we want to talk about page styles. So we want to create a page like that with a chapter number here, with some text but with much space here, and uh, the chapter here, and the next pages will have a normal page like that. So let's see how to make this automatic. In LibreOffice when we insert a new chapter to have the first page different and the second and the last pages of a chapter the same. First, let's create the content of the document. We have the book title, we have chapter 1, we have some text here. Let's create more text. We have chapter 2. We don't create for the moment any style, just plain text. Okay, so I have a chapter 2 very long. And now let's arrange a little bit the text. Let's not check the spelling. And let's style a little bit this book. We have the book title, we have heading 1 for the moment, but we will change that style after that. So we want this chapter to be on a new page. Let's create a new style, our style. So this is my chapter. This will be my chapter style, and the next style will be default. So after I press chapter 1 enter, I can enter the text from for the normal document. Let's increase a little bit the size. Okay, and now let's apply that style to our chapters. So double click here and double click here. But we want this to be on a different page. We want my chapter to be on a new page. But first we need to go to page styles here, and we want to create the first page, but let's create our first page because we want something different. So let's create a new style for page style, my first page. The next style will be for the moment default, but we will change that later. Let's create from default the second page. So let's rename that my second page. No, my other page. So this will be the majority of the pages will look like that. Okay, so we don't want to change anything here. And let's go to my first page. We have these two styles, and my first, we want to have, after first page, we want to have the other pages. Okay, it's okay now. And let's go to paragraph style. We have this my chapter. We want before a chapter to have a page break and a new style, my first page. Okay, apply. So now we have chapters on new pages. If I insert here some text, you can see the chapter 2 moves on another page, and every time it is on a new page. But we don't want something like that. We want some space. If you remember, in the beginning we told that we want the first page to be different, with more space. Let's change here. So the page, my first page, we want a space on the left margins 6 to 6 2. Let's apply. And now let's see what we have. We have the first page with more space here, and a normal page here. Chapter 2 with more space here, and the next one like that. Let's increase a little bit the space between chapter and text. Let's go to paragraph style and let's change a little bit here. So we want a little bit space above the title. Let's have 2 centimeters, and below let's have 3 centimeters. Let's have 1 here. Apply. Okay, so we have the title, we have a little bit space, and it's very similar to every chapter. You can see it's very similar, and the rest of the pages will be normal pages. Let's suppose we want to insert a new chapter, chapter 3. Let's write some text, and let's tell that this chapter 3 it's a chapter title. Double click here, and you could see a new page. Everything is in a new page. It's a special page, and the next one it's a normal page. So it's very easy, very easy to use LibreOffice page styles and also paragraph styles. You can see I have like that. If I want to copy that text to increase the size of the document, you could see all the pages that I create are normal pages until I have a new chapter. When I have a new chapter, it's with more space, and the same normal pages until the next chapter, and so on. Everything is very easy to use. Thank you for watching, and please watch everyday videos about LibreOffice and how to use it to your own benefit. Thank you.